going on, guys? Taz92 here. Just give me a little quick update. Had got a couple of things from Atkins Rotary. This is gasket as far as water pump to block or iron. And let me see, this is front water pump gasket right there. So we're gonna replace those when I get a chance. And fuel pump gasket, because I know the last one that I did put in was crusty as hell. So it was, I believe it was just like the regular one that came with the car. So that's what's gonna be going up on the car soon. But the thing is, it is terrible in Jacksonville. So still kind of cold. It was raining yesterday real hard. So if anything, I'll probably say this weekend, get that situated, get it put in, be ready to go. And hopefully this week I can still send away my gauge cluster to a gentleman that said that he can repair it. So we're gonna get all that stuff situated. I've been gone for a while. I had to take a birthday trip. I had to go overseas. So, but I'm back now, ready to get things going. Peace.